Pioneers, it's time to reap the fruit of our labor. Today is an exciting day because of Pi Network's mainnet launch. And if you've been waiting to sell your Pi coin, you're in the right place because I'll show you how. In my last video, I made a price prediction of Pi Network to be between $2 to $10 at launch, and lots of people criticized me for predicting Pi so low. Especially those GCV guys that believed Pi price to be $314,000 at launch. Despite me showing them several instances, proofs, and even mathematical calculations, they still refuse to accept reality. So now is the time for us to face reality. But first things first, in this video, we're going to walk through every step of selling your Pi coin on Mainnet. From verifying your eligibility and preparing your wallet to transferring your Pi and placing your sell order on an exchange. Once we've covered the entire process, we'll also dive into the amazing details behind the Mainnet launch. Let's jump right into it. That said, kindly smash the like button to encourage us. Thank you. First, before I start explaining the process to sell, I want to take a moment to try to convince you not to sell your Pi because, trust me, the price you're trying to sell it at right now will be nothing compared to the price it'll be in the future. You deciding not to sell right now will play a significant role in shooting the price of Pi coin up. But if you've decided to still sell your Pi coin regardless, then keep watching. Now, it's crucial to ensure that your Pi coin is ready for external trading. Open the Pi Network app and confirm that your coins have been migrated to Mainnet by checking all the Mainnet status indicators. Make sure your KYC process is complete. Unverified coins cannot be traded externally. If you haven't finalized your KYC yet, now is the perfect time to do so. So now let's assume you're eligible. It's time to select the right exchange for your sale. But just before we proceed with that, because I don't want you to sell your Pi for cash, I'll introduce you to a very high potential free airdrop that'll make you money so you can take your mind off selling Pi. Now, over the past few months, lots of people have been making tons of dollars through $0 airdrops, including me, so now is the right time to jump into it. So there is this football airdrop called OFC airdrop. These people have raised over $307 million in funding. That's crazy! This is the first official football airdrop in history, so you stand a chance to win big on it, especially considering the fact that they've raised huge funding. Now here's how you run it. First of all, copy the referral code I'll drop in this video and also pin in the comments section. Then, open your MetaMask browser. Yes, if you're using a phone to do this, you'll need to use your MetaMask browser so that it can connect to your MetaMask because you'll have to sign up with your MetaMask wallet. So in case you don't have MetaMask, download it first. Next, once you open MetaMask, click on the browser segment here, then paste the referral link you copied from my YouTube here. Note that if you don't use any referral code, you won't get this 300 balls, so kindly use mine. Now, once you've signed up, follow all their socials like connecting your Twitter and other tasks. You can check the site to do all the needful. It's very straightforward. Don't miss this. If you keep delaying, you might regret it later. Don't procrastinate. Start now. I will drop my referral code so you can join. If you have any questions, you can join my personal Telegram group. I'll put you through any issue. I'll drop the link to join the group and also the airdrop referral link in this video's description and also pin it in the comments section. So back to how to sell Pi, which is our main topic. So I did say you need to select the right exchange for your sale. Now, as at the time of making the video, Pi is an hour away from Pi launching time, so it hasn't launched yet. But it's actually meant to launch on Bybit. So if you don't have a Bybit account, I'll drop a link to register for Bybit in this video's description and also pin it in the comments section. Using my link to register will give you some bonuses. Then, other exchanges Pi will launch on will be revealed in a few hours. Now, the process of withdrawing the Pi coin when it launches is the same process we followed with other airdrops like Cat's Token, Notcoin, and others. So listen and follow the steps carefully. Do your homework by visiting the exchange's site, checking the list of supported assets, and reading any FAQ related to new coin listings. Next, you need to prepare your Pi wallet for the transfer. Ensure your Pi Wallet app is updated to the latest version to support mainnet transactions. Enable essential security features like two-factor authentication, 2FA, and use strong, unique passwords to safeguard your digital assets. Then navigate to the transfer or withdraw section within your wallet. Carefully copy the deposit address provided by your chosen exchange and double-check that it's accurate. Any error could result in lost funds. Yes, so please be very careful with that. So I'm just going to copy this USDT for the purpose of those who don't know how to add it. It's the same process for Pi once it's launched. With your exchange's deposit address in hand, it's time to initiate the transfer. Enter the amount of Pi you wish to sell, paste the verified exchange address, and confirm the transaction. Transactions might take a few moments to process, so be patient and keep an eye on the transaction status in your wallet. Most platforms provide a transaction ID or status update. Note these details for your records. Once your Pi has been successfully transferred to your exchange wallet, it's time to place your sell order. Log into your exchange account and head over to the trading section where Pi is listed. Decide whether you want to execute a market order or set a limit order. A market order lets you sell immediately at the current market price. Ideal if you're looking to capitalize on a sudden surge, while a limit order allows you to set a specific price and wait for a buyer. Carefully fill in the order details, specifying the amount of Pi to sell and, if applicable, the desired price. Double-check everything before confirming the order, then hit confirm to finalize your sale. After your sell order is executed, check your exchange balance to confirm that your funds have been credited. Now that you've successfully sold your Pi coin, decide what to do next. You might choose to withdraw the funds to your bank account or trade them for another cryptocurrency to diversify your portfolio. Remember to keep records of your transactions. Screenshots and transaction IDs can be extremely useful for future reference. That wraps up the detailed process for selling your Pi coin on Mainnet. Take your time with each step, double-check every detail, and always prioritize security to ensure a smooth and successful transaction. Now, let's shift gears and explore the bigger picture. Pi Network transitions to its open network phase, a monumental moment for our community. With over 10.14 million migrations and more than 19 million verified pioneers, the network is now fully connected externally. This means that, for the first time, the Pi blockchain can interact with external systems, allowing for seamless trading on global exchanges and integration with real-world applications. This mainnet launch isn't just a technical upgrade. It's a massive leap forward for the entire Pi ecosystem. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this guide helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more updates, and leave your questions or comments below. I'm always eager to hear your experiences and help out where I can. Until next time, stay safe, stay informed, and happy trading.